I'm Steve Horstmeyer, and usually I stand behind the lab table for Weather Lab, but this time, because I love snow, I'm really getting into my work.
Hey Steve, if we have 1 inch of rain, how much snow would that make?
You know, I wish I had $1 for every time I've been asked that question in the last 35 years. It is a great question, though. But you can see right here I'm standing in 1 foot of Weather Lab snow. You can see that on the yardstick right over there. Now look at this. I'm trying to make a snowball here. Yeah, look at that. This is great snowball snow. Now, if we melted 12 inches of this down, this foot of snow would be just a bit more than 1 inch of water. An average good packing snow here in Cincinnati has about a 10-to-1 ratio. That means 1 inch of water makes 10 inches of snow. Now, if the snow is too wet to make a snowball like this, we may be looking at 6 or 7 inches of snow to 1 inch of water. Now, on those bone-chilling days, those days dominated by the bitter cold Arctic air that we get every once in a while, when snow falls and it's very fluffy, we call it a dry snow. Now, take a look at this. These fluffy flakes, if I try to pack them into a ball, they just kind of fall out of my hands. They're just too dry to stick together. Now, in the high mountains, it gets really wild. The air is dry, it's cold, and 1 inch of water can make maybe 30 inches of snow, or even 40 inches of snow, or in extreme cases, up to 50 inches of snow for 1 inch of water. A dry snow around here, 15 inches of snow from 1 inch of water. A good snowball snow, 10 inches of snow to 1 inch of water, and one of those wet snows that kind of melts when you put it in your hands to make a snowball, maybe 6 inches of snow to 1 inch of water. Well, when I dig out of this, or when all this snow melts away, I'll be back for another Weather Lab.